हाय गाइस, आज मैं अपने साथ आप सबको ले जाने वाली हूँ कोलकाता CC2 मॉल, सिटी सेंटर मॉल आफ्टर पैंडेमिक लॉकडाउन. हाउ इज़ द सिचुएशन एंड हाउ द mall look like after corona lockdown. So let's go and watch it till the end. This is the mall looking from outside. After corona, the security system is become more harder. They check our car from backside and also sanitize, and everywhere is sanitizer is available, and you can see how the checking also going on. In my channel, I also upload some more markets of Kolkata after lockdown. So don't miss all that. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. For latest update, click bell icon. And when I upload a new video, you got a notification from all the videos. So stay tuned and stay connected and watch it. CC2 Mall is Kolkata's number one biggest mall, and this is really very gorgeous. You can get here many brands, and I think all brands are available in this mall, and it is look so good, gorgeous, huge. And you can also came here to spend your quality times with family, friends. So it's really amazing and very beautiful. Also, many film shootings are they shoot here. So this is really very huge, you can see, and I show you everything in this video. This is the map, you can see it's so huge. This is the full map of this mall. Many type of toys you can see here, toy van and car, also this robot. So many thing is here what you never see in your whole lifetime anywhere. You can see in CC2 mall. we all know that Kolkata also a metro city, and as metro we know how rush in Kolkata always, but after corona you can see it's not so people everywhere. It's really uh, very few people who come here maybe for their very needed and not so rush or not so crowded place right now. So as you see there are so many brands. So also here happen some tattoos, mehendi, henna, so everything is available. It's not so easy to make video in front of so many people, but because of you and your love and support, I always try to make videos and show you all the place with me. And I hope that you enjoy all my videos, and this is too. Now we eat momo, and after momo we also eat something else. So I hope that you enjoy my videos. Then keep supporting me, keep share my videos, and give your love and support. This ice cream is also very nice and tasty. We take butterscotch and chocolate ice cream, and everything is really very tasty and enjoy it a lot. And this is the underground. You can see this is a car parking area, and now we are going back to our home. But before we go, I show you on of dhaba, or there is a many type of tea, and that is base a tea stall. So there are many type of tea they sell there. So let's go with me and I show you the tea stall also. And this is the famous Dolls Cafe, and they are selling many types and variety of tea like chocolate tea, masala tea, butter tea, and everything is available here. So street food is always famous in India, also in Kolkata's people are very foodie, so everywhere you can get food, drinks, and everything. So guys, this is it for today, and I show many places on my channel after these videos. So don't forget to do like, comment, share, subscribe my channel, also watch that videos and wait some new videos. So meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay connected, stay healthy.